Hey friends, welcome back. Let's talk about an interesting phrase, rabbit hole. Now, you've probably heard people say, I went down a rabbit hole. But what does it mean? The phrase actually comes from Lewis Carroll's book Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. Remember Alice? She followed the rabbit and fell into a hole, landing in a strange and magical world. So, when we say rabbit hole in everyday English, it means getting so deeply involved in something that one thing leads to another, and you just keep going further. For example, I searched for one cooking recipe online, but 3 hours later I was still watching random food videos. That's a rabbit hole. Or I wanted to read about space, but then I kept clicking links and ended up learning about black holes, time travel, and quantum physics. Yep, another rabbit hole. So next time you spend too much time exploring something, you can say I went down a rabbit hole. Stay tuned, because in the next video, I'll share more fun idioms you can actually use in real life.